In this video, you are going to see how to export HDR video in Adobe Premiere Pro correctly without any errors. So let's start. After importing the footage into the project panel, right click on it and choose the new sequence from clip. This will create a new sequence according to the actual recorded file, matching all the original settings. Even if you missed this step, no problem. In that case, go to the sequence option at the top and choose sequence settings. Now here, go to the color management option and choose the settings like this. Most of the time you will see the color setup in SDR, so change it to HDR. Next, for the output color space, you can choose whichever option you want based on your requirement. Now, once the edit is completed, these are the settings you need to change during export. First, choose the preset. After selecting that, you can see it here that it is showing the wrong color space, which results in an SDR video. So to change this, under the format option, choose H.265. Next, follow the options that I'm selecting here. Now, under the encoding settings, choose the profile as main 10 so that the export color space option will be unlocked. Here, choose the same color space as the clip. You can easily check this by going to the clip color space settings in the project panel. Next, make sure to enable the include HDR10 metadata option. After that, select the color primaries as Rec 2020 if you are uploading the video to YouTube or other platforms. Next, scroll down and choose the bitrate settings as well as the quality that you want. And finally, click on export. That's it. And even if you want, you can save this as a preset file if you're recording on the same device so that you don't need to change all these settings again and again. So in long term, you can save hours exporting time. So this is how you can export HDR video in Adobe Premiere Pro with maximum quality. Don't forget to smash that like button so that YouTube will push to more people like you who are searching for this topic. And also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.